kinda cool for a boy to like the color pink, cause with color it doesn't matter what others think. It's kinda cool when the girl's a tomboy. She wants to catch frogs in the mud, it's her choice. It's her voice, it's her way to go. It's her way to grow, it's her way to glow. Shine bright, blaze and be bold. Unearth your true colors, go be that rainbow. You be you, through and through. So you got two moms and two dads. Some say that's too bad, I say forget that. What's with all these haters? It's to a world where love can never faze us.
I will be a rainbow, I will let my star glow. I can chase the darkness into the light. I will be a rainbow, I will let my love flow. I can chase the fear back into the night.
In the USA, back in our grandparents' day, people risked their lives to pave a civil way. Justice and a dream, Dr. MLK, Rosa Parks, Harvey Milk, such meaning in one name. We come a long way, historians say. Now who the guess we'd elect a black president? A new modern family for Uncle Sam. Now everyone's closer to Uncle Mitch and Uncle Cam. One dream, one love for each and every color, every lifestyle, culture, every other, all in together. Shiny, shine your little halo. Love is the way, so
I will be a rainbow, I will let my star glow. I can chase the darkness into the light. I will be a rainbow, I will let my love flow. I can chase the fear back into the night. I can shine so bright. I will be
We've come a long way with a long way to go. The road to rainbows ain't paved with gold. It's paved with hard work and lifetimes of struggle. The privilege we have now is from lifetimes of hustle, lifetimes of muscle building, people power. You're everywhere, kids are getting bullied hour to hour. There are more slaves today than ever in history. Just why we can't evolve, it's a sad mystery. I call it hate in the name of God, more like hate in the name of fraud. They better stop in the name of love before they break our hearts. They get over, baby, love is smart.
I will be a rainbow, I will let my star glow. I can chase the darkness into the light. I will be a rainbow, I will let my love flow. I can chase the fear back into the night. I can shine so bright. I will